Epidemic Sound just did it again. They exited the entire thing that I was trying to listen to. Don't you just love that by Epidemic Sound? Oh my god, that fucking pisses me off. Bro, if they don't fix their app, they're gonna lose another person. 1 million people already undownloaded this shit. And now I can't see anything. Nice. Nice. I like how they just black out the whole screen. When shit just goes wrong, they're like, you know what? Fuck the whole screen. Bro, Epidemic Sound is a piece of shit app. Holy shit, no wonder streamers don't use this. You can't trust it. Holy shit. It's like, oh yeah, all that progress you made? Yeah, fuck that progress. That's what Epidemic Sound says. It's like, fuck that progress. It's like, listen to a song that's a piece of shit. That's what they want to, you know what I'm saying? That's what they want to listen to. They don't care about the good songs. They want to hear their most vulgar, irritating, most fucked up shit. And then they ask you to write their shit. It did it again. It did it again. It exited the entire fucking track that it was supposed to be on. It's like, you know what? You don't want to listen to this. That's what Epidemic Sound is trying to say. It's like, oh yeah, fuck this music. It's like, you need to listen to whatever the fuck that we put on. Yo, Epidemic Sound, don't let me find the address. Don't let me fucking find the address. Halloween is coming up. You will get egged, you will get TP'd, you will get pissed on. Your building will get pissed on by yours truly. Don't let me find out your address. I'm talking about yellow urine. Salty ass urine. Pissed on your own building in front of your security guard. Don't let me find out where your address is. I will piss on the TP I put on your building. Fuck with your boy again. Keep fucking with your boy again. Keep fucking with me again. The next time I have to go through 1,200 songs to find out what spot I'm at, it's fuck you in your building. It's fuck you in your building. If I find out you're stationed in my city, yeah, you're fucked. Your building is fucked. Your windows is getting hit. Your doors is getting egged on. Your building is getting TP'd. And then your corners are getting pissed on. Okay. Keep fucking with me. Keep fucking with me. Keep fucking with me. Keep fucking with me. I'm still not at my spot.
Ring a bell, strike a chord, let the young and the old dance. Strum.
These are some ugly ass songs that you want me to listen to. Huh? The ugliest songs, huh? Huh, Epidemic Sound. Instead of pop, we went to jazz. Cause we're not about to go fucking crazy. No, of course not. Epidemic Sound is not that much of a stupid ass bitch, right? Of course not. Of course not. Of course not. Let's keep a smile on our face. Cause we're about to punch our fucking TV. Let's keep a smile on that face, shall we? And let's listen to jazz. Fuck it. Let's listen to jazz. Cause Epidemic Sound wants us to find the address of at least one person and fucking shoot their whole family up. You know what I mean? So let's fucking smile and let's like not think sadistic. You know what I mean? Cause we're about to go fucking crazy. We're about to fucking go crazy. Because when you're just not even touching the remote, it's like, okay, let's refresh everything you did. A smile. I'm about to go insane. I'm about to go insane. I'm about to go insane. Wow. Who would have known I would go insane? Let's keep smiling until you think I'm going insane. I've already went insane. So if you don't think it can get any worse. Okay, so it just took us out of the jazz. And then it takes us, look at this. Then it takes us out of it. Where do you see music?